to point. Let's go main.
All I did was press Q.
Go May?
Yeah, go main.
No, not May.
Not May, main. Oh my god, I'm gonna die!
Chow Mein.
I also should have called out.
I
when
mean,
knew
Blizzard
theirs already
is
had
pretty
roll.
good.
I'm gonna say May.
Yeah, let's do
I'm
it.
not gonna lie. Actually, May is really good on this
She's
point.
pretty good on
You
this
wall
point,
off
yeah.
that one side.
Yeah.
Then
That
we
was
can
the plan.
side by side.
Alright.
Since we're going straight for point, why not?
Yep, straight to point.
Yeah, that's good. I've seen Dallas Field do this a couple times, and it actually was pretty good.
Let's see what they did.
Poor Dallas Shield.
Other
They went
line
top
been
right.
spamming
Yeah,
up
we're
there.
on point already.
They didn't do much else good.
I'm cut off.
Why?
Oh, you are? Oh. You're
There we
good.
go. Thanks. Whoa. I need heals.
Bowling right.
Oh, May!
Junkrat up.
Back out, May! Back out, May!
Nice.
Moira one.
Bubble in one. Got a bubble on you.
No, what's happening?
Reloading. Zen's high ground.
Get it. Sorry, no bubble.
Genji right here.
Careful, careful.
No deflect, no deflect.
Need heals, I need heals.
Bubbled you. Tell somebody gets you a heal.
Zen's
I'm low, I
in
need
this
heals.
room.
I need heals.
I'm getting it, Zen. Zen dead.
Yeah, alright, Zen's dead.
I got you.
Ooh, bubble
I got you.
Thank you.
Junkrat one.
Back out. Back out, right? May.
Yeah.
Genji's up top on you, Pine.
Comes Ryan.
Ryan's
how's that
asleep,
right
Ryan's
on
asleep.
it? Okay, get him, get him,
Charging Ryan. Oh man, he got bubbled. So lucky. He's dead.
Still got.
They're on me on point. On point.
Come on.
On some point.
Not today.
Any heals anywhere?
Yep, come around, come back.
Got it. Oh. They're coming down main.
Sorry, it's pretty hard charge.
They're coming
Bowling
down
you run.
main.
Bowling you run.
Reloading.
Oh,
Okay.
No wall for it or
You wall
anything.
that? Okay.
that's fun. That's great. He's dead. Dead.
It's gonna
Split
go
up.
over the-
It's gonna come above. Left side, left
Watch out.
side.
Genji's gonna blade in. Genji's gonna blade in.
I didn't have a shield for that.
I'll Blizzard point if I
Andy,
need
can you
to.
res me?
Yeah, I got a resonate coming at you.
Okay.
Watch out for the trap.
Genji's gonna blade.
He's bladed.
Is Ari supposed to die to it? Wait.
I thought I sucked him.
Die, guys. Die.
Yeah, retreat. I'm gonna die.
We can grab dragon this next fight.
I'll nano your
back.
dragon.
That was my bad. I shouldn't have Zen ulted back in the grab.
That's all
Alright,
good.
we got this win. We can. Oh, we're having a blizzard.
I used it last time trying to deny the Genji.
Alright, we can grab stuff with the.
Let's group up.
Okay.
I'm
We'll
coming
play
from
the
respawn.
run.
I'm coming from
Don't get
respawn.
picked. Don't get picked.
Oh, someone's sleeping?
You sleep, someone?
Bubbling you
Yeah,
around.
I did, yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't know you were gonna charge. I woke him up.
I need heals. Okay. Bubbling you running 2, 1, go. Alright,
They're on me, back right, back right, Reaper
I'm
behind.
down. I'm down.
behind.
I'm down.
Grabbing this.
It's me.
I'm down.
Oh my
I'm
god.
dead.
No follow up. No follow up.
I have.
No,
I have
all.
11 health.
Oh my god, I'm
Just
sorry.
die. Just die.
No, I got it. I could heal myself.
Yeah, once they pop that tire, we probably shouldn't have used grab.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. I'm sorry.
I think it happened simultaneously.
Yeah.
Okay, we still have dragon.
And we have Rhino, Nano, or somebody Nano.
My shield's gonna go down.
Let me know when you're gonna dragon, I'll nano.
Okay, I'm just gonna send one on the point.
Alright, do it.
Got Junkrat. Thank you, heals.
I'm dead.
Oh no! Bubbling you.
Thank you, heals.
Nice.
Zen coming around. 1.
He was just riding on top of you guys.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
I couldn't figure out where he was.
He was just floating on everyone's heads.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's like bad grab. So bad.
Play of the game.
Oh, nice.
Watch me press Q.
Nice.
Best Q ult ever. Glorious. That was good.
Nice
I got
job,
all
dude.
recorded. Yeah, I find that like now that I play with you guys, I don't want to play on this account unless unless I'm playing with you guys.
Do you have an ult?
Yeah, I have an alt that I play on.
Isn't it free weekend coming up?
Yeah.
Yes, it
I
is.
believe so.
I'm gonna make another alt.
Yep, making another ult.
I need a Doomfist alt.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
gross.
Fucking Blizzard World? Jesus.
No, no.
Six stack versus six stack.
Select
On
your
Blizzard
hero.
World.
Oh, Blizzard World.
Ugh.
You guys want to run?
Yes.
I'm gonna attack.
Nice.
Yeah, this is gonna be disgusting. Let's do it.
Worst map, worst comp. Come on.
Those antes were awesome.
Yeah, they
thank you.
were actually. I'm actually like I was when I saw the anti, I'm like, oh my god, this is like better than a mercy. That's exactly what I thought.
Fighting for what you believe in.
Do you guys
Now
want
we-
to push right side and then go all the way around right, straight to point behind them?
Right or left?
No,
Wait, what?
right side. You know how it?
Right?
You
Let's
right,
go on Hippogriff.
if you go right side, you can go around by the big blue turret and then push point that way. The way the payload goes.
Yeah. If they're not holding, we should go that way.
I think we should go up on top of Hippogriffs. Like that, right? Where people normally hold up there.
Commences in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
If they're holding up there, I don't think we can go right.
No, if they're holding,
should be able
yeah,
to.
yeah, that's right. If they are holding,
We
we
should
have to
go
take
left.
them.
No, we just take left and go around.
We
Alright,
just
alright.
take left at
Because
it.
if they're Orisa,
If
then you
they
just
are.
bypass them and make them move.
Okay.
Okay, so if they're holding top, we're gonna go left. If they're not holding top, we're going
If they're
right.
holding left, we're gonna go top.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But well, why top? I think round's better, isn't it?
5.
'Cause then if you
yeah.
can pick,
it-
you can stop people from coming back.
I like going around because you can go right to point
Attack
undercover.
commences.
Okay.
I'm following the
Let's
tanks.
go.
I'm following the tanks.
I'm following your tank.
Here.
We're gonna
There's
They have a big Ed up top right, but that's about
There's
it.
up left. There's up left.
It's only. Oh.
Okay, let's go right. Let's go right.
Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right.
Oh, Sombra, Sombra.
Okay, go right. Let's keep going right.
Go right. Go right. Keep going right.
Okay.
All right.
Hanzo behind us.
That gets one. Get back. Don't go down. Don't go down. Come down.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Hanzo behind.
Sombra.
Hanzo's dead.
Come on.
Sombra one. Sombra one.
In here. In here.
Back out of sleep.
Back
Back
at
is
one.
dead.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Nice, nice, nice.
Get
I
this-
put
Zarya,
Zarya.
Zarya.
Zarya. Zarya.
Zarya.
I got pinned by Rez.
See? Oh.
Two
Oh,
seconds.
man.
2 seconds on bubble. Bubble.
That guy got Rez.
Sombra. I'm going.
Sombra. Ryan.
I, oh,
One fight is
nice.
Nice,
Thank you for that
nice.
stun. You
Good
saved
job.
my ass. I was like, I'm about to get pinned. Oh, nope. It's magic.
I'm over to Sin now.
I actually bubbled so I can get pinned. And then,
A captured.
I'm coming back still.
Escort the payload.
I'm by statue. I'll push cart caps.
running dive
I'll
now.
push caps. You can, or I'll push cart. You
Okay.
move up.
Yeah, the running dive.
The payload
Push that cap.
bubbling you
I'm
run.
pushing the
I have
cap.
shatter. I have shatter. Shatter's now. 4. Fat. Very fat. Very fat.
Getting
So I
mercy.
like
Getting
it.
mercy. Getting mercy.
Mercy.
She's down. She's down.
I can't see any of you right now.
It's okay. It's
Okay.
okay.
I got him,
Rio,
I
let's
got
go
him.
back. Rio,
I got him.
let's go. Back.
Hey, rally, guys, rally.
I've got
Wait.
Dragon.
Wait. Come
Wait
to
on the
point.
rail.
Come to point.
Get that sweet armor.
All right. I'm going forward again.
Probably gonna Ponzo here or grab.
They don't have grab yet. Their Zarya's not
They
trying.
will have grab though, and we don't have anything for it.
They have a far.
Bubbling you run.
Go to
Okay.
Fire's asleep.
Bubbling you run. One. Go.
Sleep, dude.
Thank you.
Do we have anything for my grab?
Yeah, I've got Dragon.
Yeah, we got cleave.
Okay.
We got cleave.
Go.
Get up.
Oh, Fire's back. I'm dead. Pharah behind, guys. Pharah behind.
Mercy one, Mercy one. Got Mercy.
Get the point. Get the point. Get this Winston.
Much better than a command on the beach.
Good job.
Alright, Winston's dead. Point.
I'm pocketing you, Rhea.
I'm on point. I'm on point.
Oh damn, I missed.
This Zarya might have grab.
She
No.
definitely has grab now. She definitely
She's
has
anti.
grab.
She's anti.
They should have dragon though.
They're gonna go for
Rally
I need.
here.
I need.
They're gonna go dragon grab.
Oh, hold on. Give me a second. And then I'll rally. I got stunned.
Okay, just dry fight now. Dry fight.
Dry fight? Oh man, so sexy with their shatter.
Yeah, but we're down one.
Okay.
Yeah,
We're down
Down
2.
two.
we're down 3 now. Alright, back out. Get in point. Ooh, I got pushed in point.
I got zoned. Hanzo's right here. He's zoning me.
Alright. I got a bubble for you.
Hey guys, group up on me. No problem.
Okay, heals somehow.
No bubbles from Zarya.
Works too.
I have nano.
Nano back in.
Oh, the dragon.
I can't do anything about
They
it.
use 3 ults.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, that's my rally down there.
We should not use bubbles.
I'm gonna die here.
I'm going back to.
How's Hanzo ult? Okay, I'm ending that.
Yeah, she's good. This fight.
I'm not ready to hang it up.
Oh, they've got dragon.
Walk it off.
Bubbling you right?
I got one.
Ooh, unfortunate.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
don't.
down
Back up.
I'm gonna switch off.
I got my ult.
Engaging.
That Farah, is anyone doing anything with Farah?
I will now.
Get back in. Alright, I'm gonna ult. And we're gonna.
Ow. Okay.
I got shot through the shield.
Okay, never mind. Back out. We need that Hanzo.
Backing out.
I'm gonna switch me free.
Charging shield, I'm charging shield.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, let's go.
I have your back. Heal up.
Alright, ready? Go! That's everybody. A whole.
Oh shit.
That was
Nice.
so fat.
Nice, Dana.
That was so fat. Oh my god.
Grand
I'm
cart,
pushing,
grand cart.
pushing spawn door.
Yeah,
Thanks for the nano.
You're
I'll
welcome.
go with him.
Well,
I'm with you.
Might want to
I'm
push
with you,
one more
fine.
because they're gonna come out as 6.
They
Yeah.
100% are.
come back.
Take your medicine.
Watch out. Oh snap.
Oh god, oh god.
2 seconds on bubble.
Bar one.
I bubbled you.
Oh man.
3 seconds on bubble.
Oh shit.
She has grab. She has to have it. There's no way she doesn't.
Alright, I'm down.
Hanzo's down.
I'm down.
Two down for us.
Regroup. There's no way she doesn't have grab. She has to have
Yeah, she has to have grab.
I'll hide him whenever she grabs. Damn it. Try to combat it.
Hanzo down.
You can Hanzo out whenever you want.
Okay. I'll get it this
I have
fight.
shatter.
Your bubble's done.
Monkey behind, monkey behind.
Stupid monkey.
Discorded.
Shattered. Not the best. Oh. Oh my
Nice.
Oh, I didn't get
Stop. Bubble on you, Ryan.
Zen's discorded.
Mercy. No rest.
Discorded.
I'm gonna coalescence soon.
Bubble on you, Ryan.
Coming back from spawn now.
Oh, there it is. Woo.
Alright.
That's right. I'll have trans for next fight, and we can use it
We should have
aggressively.
our dragon grab.
Okay, I'm gonna switch to way to see if I get fixed since I don't have any shields or force them to jump back on thing.
Cool.
Since I'm not doing two automatic free. Got Hanzo.
Nice.
Nice. Whoa.
Alright, bubbling you,
He's
Ryan.
just split.
Behind you, Ryan. Winston.
Mercy one, mercy one.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Ready.
Zen one,
Go, go, go.
Farrah behind. Farrah behind.
I'm just in a safe place. You can res me.
Farrah discorded.
I'm pushing cart. They're not contesting for some reason. There we go.
10 seconds, guys. Monkey, monkey, monkey. 4 seconds.
I've shatter.
Oh,
I've
never mind, I
shatter.
got somebody else.
Mercy one, mercy one.
Monkey one, monkey one. Yeah.
Moira discorded.
Oh,
Moira one, Moira one. Sorry one, sorry one. Nice job.
Nice.
Nice.
Did you get their name star? They're 6 stack.
Switching sides.
Are they a
Fun.
6 stack?
Yeah.
Yep,
Prepare
they're
your
6 stack.
defenses. Select your hero.
Oh, you want to play Star?
I have a sneaking suspicion they're gonna run that Farrah again.
Off Discord.
I can always go Widow.
Yeah, I think. What do you guys think?
Well, I like the dragon grav.
Yeah. We'll
We
stay
could.
until
No, no, no.
they
We could
crack.
grab Tyre with the
They,
Widow.
they don't run a Zen, right? Or we could just combo after the Zen, actually.
Doesn't Tyre's burst damage, so it kills through a trance.
It does, but it,
I'll be
yeah.
watching.
I'll
But it
dam.
can
Let
get
me
killed.
damage boost the Tyre. Yeah.
The problem is it can get killed through the
They can kill the tire.
Okay. We could do Widow Hanzo.
Oh, this is good, this is good. We can try this out.
We'll try it out.
Probably switch to Widow. This is knocked out. And they're running fair.
That worked out last time.
Yeah, that Widow was great.
Yeah, the Widow Hanzo was really good.
Where are we holding?
Attackers.
Hold
We're
point.
holding on point.
Hold point.
We're holding on point.
A moment to enjoy.
That's where the
Don't
fight
look at
is
me.
gonna
I'm
end up
setting a
anyway.
trap.
Probably just a month, though.
Reinhardt, you said you would arm wrestle.
It always feels good to get a 6-person grab.
That was good.
I got booped into it. I was like, oh, this is perfect. As I'm like flying midair. Right there.
1.
Right there, perfect. Thanks,
Up
guys.
here, Pine. Up here with me.
Defend objective A.
They're going middle. Oh, I'm about to get like so many kills.
Where does it hurt?
Ow. Ow, ow, please, no,
Keep backing
no,
up.
no,
Keep
please,
backing up.
He's in traps. You can hit him.
Hanzo down.
Right beside me.
They don't have a
The
Farrah.
doctor.
They're resing.
Nice.
Oh my god. So much work.
I need heals on the
Bubbling
side.
friend.
Thank you.
I'm playing more towards point.
Yeah.
They have to come to us.
Mercy in the right.
I got wall hacks.
You should be at peak performance level.
All your hacks.
Yeah, what's up with this?
I got it from the same site.
I'm dead. My bad.
Taking care of you.
Storm arrow.
Do you have bubble?
I do.
All right.
Winston
no
on
time to
me?
get it, no time to get it now.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh no, Star.
I bubbled you on when the Winston came in. Okay, okay,
Stun.
that,
They
Winston
have a
down.
Brigitte. Oh, I'm gonna die.
So I'm gonna wait for
Oh,
you.
he got
to-
res, he got res.
Yeah.
Dead. I'm
Holding
so
you right.
dead.
I threw that. Sorry.
Immer unterbricht sich jemand bei der Arbeit.
I'm down.
Oh, Hanzo got me.
Oh.
Hanzo got you.
Dead.
Hanzo got
Are we
everybody.
using ults here? Or?
No.
You want me
No,
back
no,
on
No,
Hanzo?
no, no.
I don't
Hanzo,
think.
yes or no before spawn changes?
No.
Okay.
They do have a monkey. I don't think we should hold up there by yourself, Rio.
I
That was
think
my
we should
bad.
have
I
gone
didn't think it was
Hanzo.
there.
Next time, maybe we should switch to Hanzo.
I mean, we were doing. Pine was getting picks. We were doing good.
Yeah, Pine was doing well. It's just
All right.
we can't.
It was my bad getting picked off there.
I shouldn't have. Shouldn't have
I have
went for it.
shatter.
One,
I'm looking
two,
for an opportunity.
one, go.
Zen left. Zen left side.
I'm taking care.
Oh man, there we go.
Resistance.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mercy resing. Mercy resing.
Monkey
Monkey
on
on
turret.
turret.
I'm up. Oh,
Mercy one, Mercy one.
Brigitte.
Get this Zarya so she doesn't have grab.
I'm dead.
oh,
Oh my god.
Sorry, down.
Grab?
oh, wrong way.
Bubbling your red. Oh, never mind. I hit somebody else.
No,
Oh.
he's in
I'm
that.
not gonna Zen ult yet. I'm not gonna
Balking.
Zen
No,
ult.
I'm balking. I'm balking.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my
I
god.
bubbled you. You're good. Get this,
Monkey low, monkey low.
Do I grab this?
Hanzo low.
Yeah, if you want. No.
No,
I
monkey.
think we save it, save it.
No.
Nope.
Increase. Healing stream
Woo.
engaged.
Zen behind.
I'll shatter next fight.
Zen is flanking behind
God,
each one.
What the hell is Zen doing back there?
I don't know, he killed me though.
Oh no.
Are
He's
you-
just Zen is killing everybody.
Alright, ready to combo? Ready to combo? No combo. Never mind. Sorry. My bad.
Go back.
The wonders of modern medicine.
Hanzo one.
Peek me, Pine.
Ouch.
Alright, go.
Nice.
I got
Monkey on me.
Ah, the
Coming out of
wonders
spawn.
of modern
Got monkey
medicine.
traps. Zen one.
Okay.
Hey, kill
We
Zen.
need to regroup.
Get them off me.
I followed you so that he can't get it.
Healing stream
Hitting ult chart. Well, I have.
Pushing off of okay.
We gotta get on point. We're not gonna make it. Oh, you made it. Good. I'm dead.
We're down two.
Our Ryan is alone.
Oh, come on.
That was a good grab. Or, shatter.
Just,
We
yeah,
just didn't have anybody there.
I should have said something though. I didn't have
Oh.
options.
The checkpoint.
I'm taking care of you.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna swap Hanzo real quick.
Okay. I'm gonna swap with it.
Just waiting for his stuff.
Damage increase.
Zen's
Fine,
right here.
okay.
Right?
Let's just punish this dude next time. He does that.
You needed a doctor?
Bubble, Ryan.
Zen's still right side, guys.
What the hell is Zen? My shields go down, man.
Monkey one.
Bubble, you Ryan.
I don't have
Sorry
it.
one. Oh wait.
We need to get up Hanzo pretty quick here.
Brigitte one. Oh yes.
I'm half charged. I should be able to get it next fight.
I've got Transcendence
Stall
now.
with trans.
This is our last point.
I'm gonna go too.
So last fight, as you know. Yeah, we have to.
Payload is approaching.
Heroes never die.
Do it.
That shield blocked the last 3% to get my dragon.
Monkey in front of cart.
Nice. Yeah, perfect. Mercy floating above you.
Point.
Mercy
Point.
resing.
Mercy half.
I'm resing Insanity.
Let's get you back in the fight.
Okay, that's good. Why'd they use that res, I guess?
Call your shatters, please. Please, guys, call
Sorry.
your ult.
Damage boost engaged.
Yeah, swapping Widow again.
29% off. Grab.
Okay, I'm just gonna dragon.
Yeah, go ahead.
You
Oh,
should
Mercy
be
one.
at peak performance level.
Zen
You
one.
wanna give me some charge?
Never mind.
Ryan?
Brigitte still.
Stay up there.
Just
Monkey half.
Alright, back up.
monkey's on us.
Monkey behind.
Monkey in the back.
Bubbling your.
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm resing.
Monkey
I
dead.
bubbled Hanzo
Not
dead.
the end.
Brigitte half.
Oh man.
Sorry,
I got
half.
trans.
Brigitte
Fergie
one.
has no bubble or shield.
Zen left side. Fuck.
Bubbling your Ryan.
What is Zen? Every time.
Monkey
I got
ulting.
Zen.
Dude,
Bye, Trey.
guys, the Zen is
I
wrecking
had
us
to
on the
pop it.
left.
Sorry guys.
Yeah, I
had to
killed
pop
Zen.
it.
Let's get
I'll
you
let
back
us
in
in.
Super ridiculously high charge.
60 seconds.
Wow, fat shatter.
He dead. thought when you shattering, I would have played passive and tried to get a headshot on him.
Heroes never
Just
die.
rushing and trying to touch point.
Get on that point, get on that point.
I touched it.
I died instantly.
Yeah,
See them all, guys.
30 seconds remaining.
Out of time. Attack.
That's a fairly good hold.
Complete. Score 3-3. Switching sides.
wow, that was nice.
Prepare to attack.
Yeah, I didn't think we were gonna get him down to
Select
less than a
your
minute.
hero.
That was really good.
Holy
They had, like,
shit,
30
Ryan.
Yeah, that was a huge shatter.
Yeah, that was a huge
Yeah,
shatter. If
that
you had
was.
any kind of follow up, that would have been game.
Yeah.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits. I have no time for such frivolous
I am empowered. I'm here.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I have lost my home,
I made it up on the rafters.
but I will
Damage boost engaged.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Five,
Alright, what's planned?
3,
Hey,
Same as last time?
Click on head.
Yeah, same as last time. Why not?
commence.
okay.
We'll click on heads.
Headshot.
Click slightly above
I
head
can't open the
spine.
door right now. Sorry. I know I can't. Ryan, I can't get out. I can't.
Okay, we're gonna go right.
Go right,
have to
everyone
wait
go
a
right,
minute.
right.
Oh my gosh.
I can't walk away from my computer.
Um,
I can't.
Res it.
Is in one.
All right,
They're playing
I'm on it.
passive.
I'm on it. I'm resin.
Let's get you back in the fight.
We're in the middle of a match, Jade. Sorry.
We have,
What?
oh my
what?
god, I was
What?
about to bubble you.
How did I get hit from that?
30
I don't
seconds
understand.
remaining.
Bubbling you, right?
Oh, am I going down? What's happening?
We were gonna
Yeah, jump down.
Oh, I got looped down. I have no choice.
How's that even?
Zen down.
Nice pick. Hanzo,
Zarya's on me. Zarya's on me. I'm about to go
I'm
down.
with you. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Oh man.
Why are you charging? Why are you not calling that?
I'm charging because the Ryan was charging. I was counter charging the Ryan.
Got Zen.
You're not calling your location.
Oh wait, I need to.
Oh, we didn't get on point.
You have to call. You're pushing left. You push left all by yourself.
Score 3-3. Switching sides.
Whenever I watch the
Prepare your
VOD of that Zen
defenses.
hitting it, that was
Select
ridiculous
your
how he hit that.
Oh, their Zen's so good. He's
Should not have
shot
got
me.
picked from that.
Yeah,
You
he's
guys want a
crazy good.
Symmetra?
No, that was my fault. My sister fucking called me and I couldn't switch between damage boost to heal. She's here with my daughter. I gotta go get the door.
I'll be watching over you.
You guys want a sim?
Whatevs.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I feel like we're gonna be fighting on points, so
I feel like that as well.
Yep, we're gonna be playing on point.
alright. Ready, Star?
Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
5,
This match feels like a perfect storm.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I don't think they're going main. Oh, nope, they are. Those guys are flying.
Schaden, dash down.
Bubbling you, right?
Healing stream engaged.
I'm gonna get some charge real quick.
Powered up.
Where's
Where are they going?
60 seconds.
All my bubbles from now on are gonna be to save people.
He's getting this scored off of me.
They're up top left.
Up,
Up,
top,
up.
up.
Mercy is Bereitschaft.
Sorry, drop.
I'm here.
Top left, left, left.
Bubbling you, Ryan, to save you.
Oh, snap.
Run. Get him.
Run.
Focus. Now Zarya, get Zarya.
Sorry.
Bubbling you, Ryan. Oh.
Get Mercy.
I was trying to go for a delay kill.
Nice.
I got
Stack.
dragon for the
Nice
last
stack.
push.
Good job.
Get back Rio. Get back Rio.
I'm running.
I have
I'm
Valk.
staying up at trap.
I have Valk as well.
10 seconds remaining.
Oh!
Nice.
I'm get this Ryan.
Prime one.
Nice. That can
Someone triggered.
Damage in.
Sorry, one.
Helden sterben nicht.
Nice.
Never
Nice
die.
drop.
Wow, GG.
Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. See you guys later.
Alright, later.
Good night.
Later.
Thanks for the games.
Good night.
Hanzo's as bad as Jump right now. You can just play the games.
Sextuple kill.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Epic.
You honor me.
Alright, cool.
All right, real
Good
quick.
games.
Real quick.
Oh, what happened?
If that Ryan is charging off the point towards us, let him do that. Okay? Because then we can pick him off. You don't need to counter charge him onto the point where the entire team can focus you. Also, we're not focusing targets. We're not calling out who we're focusing.
Alright.
Okay.
You want me to do that?
I mean anybody. Like, well, we don't have a target caller. Like,
I can try it if you want.
Yeah, sure.
all right.
I'll try to keep comms up. Just
We-
tell me if I'm doing something wrong.
We talked about it at the beginning of practice, and we kind of started to do it like the first match, and then it just didn't happen. And people are. I need to talk to Rio. That positioning lost us the first point. His top
Definitely
left.
did.
Top.
I didn't want to say anything, but it did.
Yeah, and I don't want us to just run off as soon as practice is done. It's important that we have these after-action discussions to talk about what we did wrong. So I'll talk to Rio. What else? What did you guys see?
Well, definitely.